What happens if the next Samsung foldable doesn't cost more? Fans of smartphones are becoming extremely excited about this unexpected potential. The Galaxy S26 series was recently released by Samsung, and the price has significantly increased in many areas. Naturally, a lot of people anticipated that future Galaxy smartphones will follow the same pattern, but everyone might be surprised by the next foldable. According to early reports, Samsung may decide to maintain the Galaxy Z Fold 8's beginning pricing from the previous iteration. And Apple, there may be an unexpected explanation. In order to remain competitive in the high-end foldable market, Samsung may decide to freeze the price of the Fold 8, as Apple is widely anticipated to unveil its first foldable iPhone later this year. Given that it has just raised pricing for a large portion of its smartphone inventory, that decision would be quite unexpected. The company's production expenses have increased dramatically due to rising component costs, particularly for costly semiconductor parts like memory chips. Samsung might still choose a different strategy with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 despite those demands. According to reports, in order to remain competitive when Apple joins the foldable market, the business may have to tolerate somewhat smaller profit margins. Apple plans to sell about 15 million units of its next foldable iPhone, according to industry reports from the DL website. What's even more intriguing is that the anticipated launch price is reportedly near to $2,000, which is comparable to Samsung's Fold series. For the future Fold, Samsung is also looking into ways to lower production costs. Increasing its supplier network and obtaining additional parts from Chinese producers rather than depending mostly on South Korean partners is one potential tactic. This strategy might help counteract growing chip costs and maintain the Galaxy Z Fold 8's competitive price without significantly reducing profit margins. According to leaks, Samsung is focusing on display privacy this time. Put an end to ostentatious cameras and excessive charging speeds. This has to do with keeping your screen genuinely private. To be honest, I find that fascinating. According to early rumors, Samsung is developing a sophisticated privacy layer that is integrated directly into the foldable display. The concept is to prevent anyone next to you from looking at your private stuff, banking apps, or messages. Imagine yourself at the office, on an aircraft, or in a cafe. You are the only one who can see your screen. That's discretion at a higher level. Better yet, this may be accomplished without the need for additional screen protectors. Incorporated straight into the screen. It could feel entirely natural if done correctly. A subtle wrinkle is also indicated by whispers.